If you've lost access to your Wish account and can't use your email to recover it, follow these steps to regain access. Step 1. Visit the Wish app or website. Open the Wish app on your mobile device or go to the Wish website on your computer. Look for the login section to start the recovery process. Step 2. Select Forgot Password. Click on the Forgot Password link. This will prompt you to enter your account information, such as your phone number or username, instead of your email. Step 3. Enter your phone number. Input the phone number associated with your Wish account. Make sure to use the same number you registered with, as this will be used to send your recovery link or code. Step 4. Check for a verification code. Wait for a text message with a verification code to arrive on your phone. Enter this code in a designated field on the Wish app or website to verify your identity. Step 5. Create a new password. Once your identity is verified, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password that you haven't used before and confirm it to finalize the recovery process. If you follow these steps, you should be able to regain access to your Wish account without needing your email. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Wish customer support for further assistance.